continue the thing.
Yeah, for recording purposes, so it seems that the VM worked. So now what we want to do is to pick the code that we copy pasted from tinywm and see if we can run that inside the VM. And if we can, we have a very inconvenient debug tool, which is going
But
to
it
be
works.
very useful.
An inconvenient, but that works. Oh, dude, wait. Let me first try to compile this and see if I
Sure.
can have the. Because we need to fix this path, right? But let's see. Um, did we change this anyhow? I don't think so, right? We
No, we
just
don't.
left
We
it
didn't.
as
We only
is.
changed added the includes basically.
Okay, but we can do Nix developing side and it works.
Yeah. Can.
Let me fetch all the junk. I think it's too small. Let me increase a bit.
Okay, so change the title. I'm so glad. I'm so proud of us that we actually did the Nix part. It was not that hellish.
Yes, it wasn't. I am impressed.
It's not even using Nix Nix dash whatever. It's using Nix flakes. Yep. Okay, Nix develop
Wait,
worked.
wait, just a second. Are we just. Dude, did you push or is it another branch? Because I only see GCC and just here.
Did you pull?
Well, I just cloned the project.
Let me double check if I committed.
Yeah.
So let's see. Programming. NWM. Git status. Oh, it is another branch.
Okay. Oh, I can't use Emacs inside of this.
Wait. Shouldn't we merge this then?
Yeah, just let's keep on this branch. Oh, we can merge. Yeah, just merge. Whatever.
Um. Oh
Just like
dear.
call, I don't know, Nix Flakes. I don't know.
Okay, can you do that? Are you logged in your GitHub? Because I'm not. I am using other browser profile here.
Fix build. That's from Benet.
What the fuck? Is there a PR from Benet? I
Yes,
was not aware of that.
there is.
Wait, I gotta
I
see
noticed that
this
there was
though.
like there wasn't a lot of files. I remember we had a bunch.
Okay, so let me open the NWM. He didn't even mention to us. That's not cool, man.
Well, we should look, right? It's our repo.
Well, I agree that we should.
Clone merging.
Do you think we should? Okay, I think maybe we should absorb some of the changes from his PR though. I think he did the same stuff without like with less things.
Okay, so let's see. Uh, this trash. Okay, let me try to. Actually, let me put it here. Oh, this was my DB.
Flake.
Close this.
Yeah, dude. I think. Wait, let me just double check to see if I'm not seeing BS view file.
1 GB.
Wow. Okay. 1 GB. Yeah. Well, we can see what Bennett did for us later, and then we can just absorb some of it. I'm feeling so bad that I didn't notice this. Today is what? Today is Friday. Okay, so it was not on the weekend actually. So his PR came after what we did.
Let's just let him know because, well, I think he's doing sort of the same thing. Probably more, but
I think we did more than him, being honest.
I don't know what he did. Let's see. Fix build. Oh, he already was doing a flake and a default. Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
and
That's
the
kind
hack
of
is
the
there. You
same
see
thing.
there, xorg.lib x11.dev. It, the hack that we you discovered. I don't even remember how, but it is there.
Wait, the hack? Which
Yeah,
hack?
yeah, the hack of doing the .dev
Oh,
stuff.
look.
Yeah, he's even doing the. He's even doing
Okay,
that.
this I think we should have.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We should have that. We should have that for sure.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, let's pick this. I hope I don't have to import anything else. Uh, pick this from the flake. Oh, dude, this is actually pretty neat.
Yeah, he's just calling the default.nix inside the flake.
Does this compile already? I think it does, dude.
I think it compiles, yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, we can just adapt to what we already have here.
Oh, dude, but wait. Is he using Clang or is he using GCC? Because I think we ended up doing Clang
You're
stuff.
using a CC, which is a parameter of whatever you inserted as GCC. So he's using GCC.
Okay, so let's see. Let's take a look on the flake that we ended up using to see how much more complicated it is. Because I have a feeling that Benevid stuff probably is like smaller and less complicated to read.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you're gonna do a live share. Okay, I'm gonna join, but let me first remove the stream from the screen from people
Can
because
I send on the chat here?
yeah, you can send on the chat. Yeah.
Done.
Okay, so right now the screen is black for everybody, which is cool.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. It is black for everybody.
I mean, is it cool?
Oh, it is cool. It's just like privacy concerns.
Okay, this. Yeah, dude. I think let's incorporate. Dude, I think Benet's thing has everything we need. Actually, we don't need all of this.
Yeah, I think we can just copy paste his stuff. Like it's an
Yes.
unofficial pull request merge.
So let's just.
Let me see if I don't have anything. Yeah, yeah, I don't. So screen back on. Okay. Okay, so I'm here.
So this is the. So this is the. Can you copy? Can you paste on the default or paste the
Yeah,
flake?
I'm gonna paste the full one. So this raw.
Let me delete the lock. No, you do not delete the lock. You should never delete the lock. We don't care. Delete CMake. Bye bye CMake.
Oh yeah, dude. There's also that.
I'm so happy that I'm deleting this.
There's also CMake stuff. Okay,
Okay.
that's a huge improvement then.
Yes, it is. But okay, we need to. Where are we pointing? Okay, so we need to point to SRC now instead of like here. So instead, it's just this.
Who is
Who is
here?
there? Who approaches us?
Zero
It's
eight
our
pixels.
friend, 08 pixels. Hello, 08 pixels. You're cool.
Hello.
So let's see.
Hello, man. So just for you to get context, so we are trying with all our strength to make a window manager. And
All of
I'm
us.
saying this because this is like the third session and we're still doing DevOps stuff.
Wait, dude, this is C++. So we should change the compiler, right? To GCC to G++.
Is that gonna work?
I hope.
The
Let's
syntax
see. I
seems
don't
really
know.
wrong.
No, no, it is G++, but I don't recall if on Nixus they call it that. Let's see.
I don't think we
Nixus.
need just anymore though. I think we can
Ah,
remove
no,
this as
just
well.
can explode. G++.
Anyway, so 08. So if you, I don't know if you ever used i3, right? Some a lot of people know i3.
Um,
So it's kind of like that. So that's kind of what we're doing. And the reason why it's so complicated is because you need to actually hop up into onto the operating system itself and change the window manager that it's going to use, and that's a pain. So that we are doing a bunch of like Nix stuff, DevOps stuff, in order to make
just
that
wanna
happen.
know. What? It's on GCC already. Okay, that's weird. I thought it was on a random other package,
Yeah.
which is strange.
Oh, dude, if this works,
Okay,
it's gonna be so awesome.
yeah, let's see.
Wait, this is not gonna
So
work though. We need to change one of two things. Or we change this
the
file,
file.
or we
Yeah.
change to this line here. What do you think?
Uh
I kind of prefer changing the name of the file.
oh, I see. So this should actually be this, and then from this source, and then this.
Yeah, no, but the name of the
That's,
main file is not. Yeah, but that's what I'm asking. Should we change to nwm.cc or we change the
yeah, that's
nwm
fine.
to main? That's what I.
Yeah, that's fine. I
Okay.
think that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, error. Failed to produce output path for out. Okay, we don't have an out, that's for sure. Like, a clause that you add, like a src, like source, there's an out. I don't remember how to do
Yeah,
it.
but
I think there
okay.
is
So
on my.
Benevides didn't think of that.
I think it didn't run, but let's see. I'm not shaming him, dude. What the heck? I love him so much. It doesn't make sense.
That was so hilarious. I don't think he ran the thing that he proposed.
Ah, he didn't finish, right? So.
Okay, so maybe we
Uh,
shouldn't be nuking our stuff and doing copy his stuff.
no, but dude,
Oh,
like,
it is
let
written
me
as a
see.
draft, dude.
Yes, I know, but it's just a little bit to fix. So the phone needs out. Example actually.
Oh man, that was so good. Awesome.
Uh, where, dude? That was on the docs, like explaining everything. So
I
where
don't know
was
about
it?
you, but I kind of
You-
don't like Nick's docs at all.
Oh, they're terrible, and everybody knows that.
No, it's not that I
Needs,
don't like it. It is pretty in
need
terms of like all the content is there. The problem is that the content is not where I expect it to be. That's the problem.
build phases. No, it's not this document, but I think this works. So let's see. Build phase here. So there's an example exactly with C.
Yeah, pretty much.
Uh, source build blah, blah. Source build phase make just copy this.
Actually, maybe we should just I don't know, go back to the old way of doing things
No,
because
dude, no, right. This is just something very tiny. Got the same error, blah, blah, whatever. This is home manager. No, that's a
wait,
different
wait, wait, wait,
issue.
wait. The error is that it fails to produce the out, right?
Yes, which is the derivation out of it.
You need to have oh man, I know what we need. I do know what we need. I had this problem at work. So let me remove the screen from the stream again because I'm gonna open the code from work.
Here, I think this was it.
Oh, you found it?
I think so, but go looking at your stuff.
Okay. So let me think about it. Where
No,
does
those.
the code live? Oh no, it is not here actually. It is.
We just need to define out.
Yeah, man, you need to define
But
a
I
thing.
don't
Yeah,
know how, dude.
but I
How do
do
I
know.
define
But I
the
do
out?
have that line, dude. I just need to find it. I don't remember the name that I gave the. Oh, here. Okay, now this. Okay, I need this. This. Yeah.
Paste it.
So you need these lines. Okay, now I can
Where are you
remove.
pasting?
Yeah.
Oh, you're pasting here. Wait, I'm looking at the thing. Okay, stall phase.
Yeah, you need that.
Um,
Okay, the stream now has the screen again.
so I'm Kadir, and don't we need to move stuff?
No, you don't need to move stuff.
Okay,
No, wait.
it worked.
Uh, I think we do need to move stuff though.
It worked.
In my particular case that I was doing at work, we didn't. But
Yeah,
you,
it doesn't move, but it like it's completed, right? So we need install phase, but we need to move. So I think it's we need to move the binary, right? So
yeah, yeah,
in
yeah, yeah.
throughout, I need to switch the mode in this keyboard. NWM. I keep typing NVM, dude. What's wrong with that? And well, it's not
Did it
showing
work?
there. Oh, it's not showing there. Oh, but it is here. Yes. So
Okay, it
let's.
worked.
How do I check the? Was it LD that we can see the? Cannot use executable file as input to a link. Dude, how do we see the links of a file? I forgot. See
Just do ls
links
ls dash la,
uh,
dude, on that folder there.
on the folder.
Yeah,
That's
on
not
the
how you
fo
see it.
no, la, not lha. Oh, on yours doesn't show. On mine
No,
it
it's an
does.
extension you have. That does. I never seen that.
Okay.
Check dynamic links
Oh no, no, I do. On mine it shows that it is a link. It doesn't show what is linked to.
LDD. There. So there we go. So we have all the stuff linked. XD, blah, blah, blah. So makes perfect sense. Seems to be
Okay, so
working.
now how do we plug this on the VM?
So I will have to quit this to see, but to I mean to see if if we have inference. So oh
No,
no, I thought it
take your
worked.
time. Don't. I don't care. Just take your time.
Okay, I'll just exit. I'll close this. Well, I have to close the entire
Dude,
thing.
we are trying to do like C LSP. Like we're gonna go to hell because of that. But okay.
Who cares, dude? I think it worked.
It's not complaining yet of anything.
It is not complaining at all because
Oh,
it
dude!
works.
Awesome.
Okay, now revert the scene because I'll send the link again.
Okay.
Join.
So let me grab the link.
Can I
Yeah,
close this? All right, now let's go on the VM.
I can't
So I
believe this
will.
worked though.
It is, dude. I tested. I literally made the screwing VM. Why don't you trust me?
Well, because it's not about trusting or not trusting people. It's about like, dude, usually things never work for us.
They will.
That's the conclusion. Okay, so what are we gonna do now? We're gonna just try to
Start the
see if we
W.
can plug that in the VM, right? I never used TinyWM. Do you know how to use it?
No, I don't. But there are like
Awesome.
no, but dude, he explains stuff there. Oh, awesome! Oh, thank you. So here, projects, Nekoma, this, then save, then we just fired it up.
Wait, what have you done there? Plugging the folder?
Share the folder.
Oh,
Awesome,
is
Gnome
that?
Tech.
Yeah, that doesn't seem expected.
No, that's fine. Nekoma. The password is 123655. 4 exclamation mark. There we go. So let's see. The things I installed here, I think I just have a shell that I need to spawn Kaha. And then we can go here to the interweb. If it loads, what the heck
What
is
is
going
this?
on? I don't know what's going on,
What is
dude.
this? Well, look at these animations. High
Dude,
quality
what?
animations.
Dude, what?
What the?
No,
What is
dude, no,
this?
no.
What is
No, no,
this?
no, no. Wait. There's something very wrong. No boxes.
Oh man, that was. Do you know what Nathan would say? Man, this
Oh,
is
yeah.
not a browser. It's doing that.
What?
Ah, dude,
I don't know what happened, dude. That was really strange.
that was weird.
Okay, it is here. So we have our code here. Now I just need to install Nixus here. So Nixus. Oh, let's go to just Nixus download. They have an option without a daemon
Ah
here.
man, this is gonna be. Well, if we can actually share on real time between the VM and the machine, it's not gonna be the pain that I was expecting.
No, it is not. I just need to compile here. Really?
As you did
Everybody?
Control C.
Yeah, dude. Ah, Debian problems because you have so much bloat, but you don't have essential stuff.
No,
Like
no, no. Are you using Control on caps lock?
I swapped on my machine, but on this VM it's not.
Yeah, so
Then
it's no normal Control, basically. The original Control. I have this problem all the time as well in my VM. And what you
XYZ.
know what's worse is because if you go back and
XZ.
forth between the host and the VM, if you press Control on the VM like the original Control, it's gonna be translated to caps lock when you go to the host.
Ah, you've
So
got to be kidding me.
really sucks. What was the
Yeah,
problem there?
so the problem is that I will have to grant sudo to myself because life sucks. Dude, thank you. It's very clunky to use
Yeah,
this.
yeah, I know exactly the feeling, dude.
etc sudo ers. Okay, at least this copy. Just so we can use sudo. I don't know if I pressed. Okay, the password at least is just numbers.
Yeah, you need to keep track if you did that. Yeah, it sucks.
Oh, dude, this sucks so much.
Yeah, one of the solutions that I've
Okay, now
heard is to actually swap the control on the VM as well.
yes, but fuck it. Okay, so echo. I will just use my mouse to do stuff. Dash RC. Okay, now we should have. Charan. So we need to enable Flake now, but let's just see if we can go there to this thing. How do I copy this without pressing the thing?
What you want to
Can I
copy the
do?
folder?
I want to copy the path without clicking. So just by clicking. Ah, man. I'll press the thing. I regret pressing it, but let's see. No such file or directory. Well, it does. It is not a problem, mate. Well, it's kind of shitty to do this, but I'm not with patience.
No,
Okay,
dude, but that's no,
so
no, 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 no. But you can't do that, dude, because if you do that, we're gonna have to do this process all the time to
yes,
test.
I know.
So it's gonna be more painful.
It's not painful. It's just moving a file, man.
No, but you're gonna have to do it all the time, dude.
Yeah, it
All the
doesn't
time.
matter, dude. So next, Build, I think this is not even there, so we're gonna have to do this. Well, I think we need this first, and then flakes. Or flake. Ah. Uh,
I think you do the flag after the
oh, I need twice, I think.
twice. What?
Yes. Needs enable features. Flakes is disabled. What? No.
No,
Build
you
is not
need
a
the
recognized
flake is
command.
disabled. You need to go to the your Nix
I am
config.
enabling it, dude. I am enabling it. Nix
Well,
experimental
my
features flake.
experience with it is that you need to go to your Nix config in
I know, but I
etc.
don't think I have it here. That is the problem. See, there's no Nix here.
No, no, but
So,
do. Oh, there's no Nix.
yeah, so I would have to go here, I guess. Make a folder. Oh, let's change this trash. I don't use control. Nix conf.
Yeah, and then you're gonna
Let's
have to
hope
do
it
the
works.
extra experimental. Well, you
I
need
don't
to
remember how
enable
it
only
works.
experimental features to have flakes. You don't need extra experimental.
Probably on their docs they have. I
No.
hope.
Yeah, that line there, permanent.
Yeah, here. Thank you.
We should also enable cache dude, because if it's 1 gig already, well, fetching GCC. We are assuming, right, that this is already. Well, we tested before with Nix build and it worked. So it is what we hope to be the last session of DevOps.
There it is.
Okay, cool.
Well, it's not gonna do anything, right? We need to now use this. So let.
What the fuck was that?
That was my displeasure. One, two, three, four. And then here, do you see X init RC? No. This, and then we
I think we need to add the slash NWM, no?
this
Are you sure?
permission denied. Why?
You need sudo for
Sudo.
that, dude.
No, dude, that's so stupid.
Are you sure we
Oh,
don't have to pass the
yeah,
executable? Yeah.
yeah, you do. I misunderstood what you said. Okay, so how do I open? Why? It was Control Shift. Alt Shift, I think.
What do you want to do?
Linux. Open another TTY. Control Alt. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. My keyboard doesn't have function roles. I have to
Oh.
switch the mode and pray I pick the right one. Let's see. Control. What was it? Alt. Control Alt. Blah blah blah. What is Control? I don't even know.
No, it is no original control, dude.
Why is it not doing anything then?
What is this command supposed to do?
Wait, I need to find Control, dude. Ah man, screw me. Let me remove the. This sucks so much that I.
pissed.
Nix shell Nix packages. I think I have it already. Gnome. There. Now please stop. Stop this retardation, please. Okay. So now it's Control Alt and
F1.
then F4, F7. Nope. Control this.
Hello? Mageta? Mageta, you there? Yeah, I think he did something wrong. Yeah, pretty much. He did something wrong. We lost Mageta for the shortcuts. Oh no. Mageta, are you there? Are you alive? Oh wow, dude. Yep. So now he's also out of VS Code.
Guess what happened? Guess what happened? Can you hear me? Oh, right back.
Okay, I'm back.
Dude, I killed the TTY, but now the VM doesn't start.
What?
Yes, I don't know, like, it is not, if I put this, like, it doesn't do anything. Oh, it started, okay.
No.
I think it was a daemon that was starting.
Yeah, but do you know what happened?
Yes, I do, because I know Linux using a VM to Linux, so I cannot just expect to swap TTY and hope it works. I need to basically, well, we are gonna need to add an entry here, you see?
What is a
Or we,
TTY? The window manager?
no, TTY is like at the prompt you face when you uh, like when you start Linux, you know. So I think this is the SDM, you know, this login screen.
Mm-hmm.
So we just need to add an entry here, and then we can just do like this and select it from here. You see that like I have LXD and OpenBox.
Yeah, but wait, can you repeat again what is the TTY? Because you said it's not the window
So
manager.
it's when you boot without any interface. That's the console. That's the terminal.
Mm.
So it's the root terminal. It's not an emulator. Like this, for example, that we run, the shell is just a terminal emulator, right?
Mm.
TTY is actually the thing. So it's the like it's like as if you are in the 80s. So let me just see here what I don't know where to edit that. So let's just take a look. And I cannot zoom because I need to switch. Okay. So let's see. Linux, LXDE, and oh, I think it's SDM. Add entry start and entry window manager. SDDM. That's it. Display manager. Let's see on the Arc wiki. No, I'm tempted to just go there and try. Light DM. I don't know if that's the one.
No, I
Here,
use Light
user
DM.
share accessions DWM desktop, and then we can just steal from somewhere.
Yeah, I
So
use
let's
Light
see.
DM once.
So let's see.
Oh, but I regret it
User.
a lot because I was using Manjaro and I was using Light TM and I did a lot of customization and then I asked to upgrade some packages and everything blew up and I lost everything.
Awesome. Oh man, I really hate Manjaro.
That's
Uh,
fine.
it's so much bloat, dude. I can't take it.
No, but what do you prefer? Do you prefer to have to use Arch, that you have to configure literally everything by yourself?
Well, I use Dart.
No, I didn't
Literally
want to do
2 years
that.
in my graduation fixing it every day.
Yeah, but that's the
Amazing.
part that I want to skip, right?
You're missing the fun, dude.
You're missing the fun, he says.
Okay.
Okay, so as far as I can tell, if this works, you're gonna expect to have a black screen
Um.
after we select the thing.
Well, yes, I think.
Yeah.
Well, let's read the stuff they do, right? They claim they do. I don't know what we should expect. Let me just see. Home, Nekoma. I think I put it on documents, right? And then result being okay. This
But don't forget to add the executable.
yes. NWM. Okay.
I think
So
you just need to
let's
log
see.
out, dude, instead of doing whatever.
No, for these I think I'm not sure because I think it will launch the process, but let's see. Let's see.
Oh my
Nekoma.
god, this is the moment! This is the moment!
Okay.
Okay, nothing,
It
that's
did
expected.
nothing. So what are the commands that it says on the wiki?
Good, very, very good question.
Let's see. Uh, what was the thing? Tiny
Tiny WM.
DWM. So let's see. So here usage. Focus follows the pointer. Alt blah blah blah. Raise focused window. Wait. The ridiculously blah, blah, blah. Raise windows. That's it. Alt plus button 1 of the mouse, I suppose. Yeah, but I suppose we need to start along with something else, right?
What do you mean something else? Like a program?
Like a terminal.
Yeah, but how are we gonna do that?
Oh,
Because
just an
how do you
end.
open the first thing?
Oh, just an end. But is that it? Like, how do... Are you supposed to do it? Like, I really don't know. Because we can't even quit now. Yeah, we can't even quit.
We can't quit.
So, so I need to force a shutdown and restart. That sucks.
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile, let me just reply my...
Wait, but what exactly? Why we didn't try
I
to
hope
add
nobody
the?
has like epilepsy.
Why we didn't try to do the thing there?
The
Like,
thing
yeah,
what?
we need to raise a window first, right? Do you agree?
Yes.
So why we didn't try that? There isn't there a command to try that?
Yes, dude, that's what I'm doing.
No, I'm very confused then. So what you're currently
Choose.
doing is oh, you want to in the beginning of the session to open a program.
Yes, together with the
Oh, I
thing.
see, I
But
see.
then what is the point? That's what I question. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay.
Well, the point is to be the smallest the window manager ever. So it comes with a drawback, which we are assuming it is a drawback because we don't know how to raise the first
What
window.
is this program?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What is this program?
Oh, the terminal.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Do we have extern? We don't. It's not bash,
Can't you go
dude.
to the help? The help on,
Help?
yeah, the help
Oh,
tab
here.
there.
Oh, the name, right, you mean? LX terminal. LX terminal. There we go.
Yeah, professional
LX
developer. I
terminal.
see names and I click on them.
It's actually logout.
Okay, it's time. It's time. Can we
I'm not
see the window
sure.
manager? Well,
Well, I'm
it
not
needs to
sure
open a
if.
program, right? And I think we are done.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is not opening the program in the beginning then. Are you sure you
Yeah, I'm
did
not
it the
sure if
right way?
that's how you would open it. That's the problem. Let's see on the on here on the interwebs. What is this? Okay, I'm not going there.
Oh, I
Um,
think it's probably using HTTP instead of HTTPS.
tinywm uh,
Tutorial?
X session. Let's just see how people.
TinyWM. Okay, that's how it works. That's cool. Yeah, your microphone is busted now. I didn't hear anything you just said. Yeah, I can't. It's totally indistinguishable for me. I can't understand what you're saying. And no, it is still cutting, but okay. Hello? No, it seems to be a connection issue, not the microphone. Because I can hear you a little bit, but then it starts to cut, and then cut here.
Here, so
Now it's
they...
better for some reason.
Yeah, don't know, dude. Here, they just do the same thing, but this is their binary. So, tinywm session. Oh, wait. Starts two. Okay, the following example, we create a tinywm session that starts with two terminals open.
Yeah, that's why they have two commands that are the same. You see, X terminal emulator.
Yeah. Yeah, but then they are running a script
Yeah,
instead.
a bash script.
Oh, dude, this is so.
They're still
I,
doing. They're at least doing it correctly. Like they're using the EOF stuff, which I think it's a good practice.
it's just to speed to redirect this block. Let's go there. I need to reboot. Oh man, this is so
Yeah, that's what I was expecting all the time.
painful. And this epileptic attack. Let me just check a message real quick.
Sure. And all of this to see somebody else's window manager. Well, but we need to know that it works. Then we're gonna make it ours. Okay.
Just say because I had an argument with my friend and I'm just sorry for something I said.
Okay. Take your time. Take your time. Okay, so after this session, we're gonna have to try to understand C code, I guess. Assuming that we're gonna manage to make
I think we can. Well, I don't know
it.
now.
Assuming you can manage to make it, that's what we'll be doing. But at least we now have LSP, which is exciting. Because as far as I can tell, only people that are very not um, um, professional developers, only non-professional professionals use LSP with C. You're committing a sin right in front of everybody's eyes.
Well, we can just ignore that.
We have LSP for C. Uh, like who needs graphing and stuff if you can just use
Dude, who
LSP?
cares? Um, okay.
Great. Okay, so don't change it. Change it back to where it was because now we need to change the file there. Oh, and by the way, that file, that bash script that they are doing, they're redirecting that to a file, and then they are using that file in the configuration. So I think the first thing that we need to do is to do nano and then the name of the file and then redirect. You know?
Oh, I can just do this. Oh, you gotta be serious. Oh, it doesn't share the stuff. Oh man.
Awesome.
Gotta be kidding
But
me.
it's kind of overkill using a bash script for that.
Uh, well, I don't know how to run it. Like a shell script, like a bunch of commands on the other thing, on the execute. That's why I think it didn't work. TinyWM Debian.
Who needs copy pasting?
Here.
It's
So
kind of weird that your virtual machine manager didn't share by default. Mine does that.
what?
The solution for
Ah,
everybody's problem, just use sudo.
yeah. think before you type? No, thank you. Okay, so where's the tiny WM on that? No, no. Ah, dude. This mold on my keyword. I really hate it. Okay, so where's the here? So tiny WM. Oh, we can do a scene link. Hmm. Let's just keep the way it was right now. So just here. I already have it, but this is slash
Results.
result
Bin.
in okay. Okay, I think that's all. And then we just
No,
need
wait,
to
wait, wait,
do
wait,
a
wait, wait, wait.
same
We need to
mod.
change the name of the terminal. We're not using that. Yeah, that. We are using the other thing that I don't recall.
Wait, I think this X terminal emulator. Yeah, that's the default. Oh, that's like a scene link.
Okay, so it works. So we can put it back. Did you save it?
Yes, yes. Ah, dude, this pisses me. User new. Oh, we shouldn't name it that actually. Ah man, you've got to be kidding me. Session. Oh, dude, please, just give me a break,
Please.
man. Cannot that. Okay,
No such
that doesn't
file or
exist anymore.
directory.
Please don't switch. Thank you. There, and then they just changed on the other thing. So
Yeah.
share X session. I think it was in the NWM session.
Are you sure it's user/bin? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're correct.
So please work.
Work.
Log out.
Ooh, dude. And this is even before we do anything with it.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Okay, now we need to be able to do the things. So go
Yeah.
back to
Let's
the.
just spawn another one. Okay. It doesn't. Oh, it focus.
It focus
Nice.
on the mouse, right?
What is the other thing that it should do?
Wait, let me grab the tiny WM. Let me open here the GitHub stuff. Okay, so usage. Alt button 1, drag interact movement. So
With
if you
Alt
press
and button
Alt,
one.
yeah,
Yes.
and if you do Alt and button 3, you should do resizing.
What is button three?
I think it's the right click. No, but are you holding it and pressing
Alt.
Alt?
Oh, I need to hold and press Alt.
Yeah, Alt first
Or
and
is
then
it the
button
opposite?
3.
Yes, I'm doing it. I
Yeah.
think button three is the wheel.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Yes, but nothing.
What about Alt F1? Can you do that?
Ah, dude, F1 on my keyboard is
Yeah, then
Alt
you're fucked.
F1. I don't know if I'm pressing F1.
Okay,
Uh,
is that part of the code? Because if it is, we can actually change it.
oh yeah. It is, but I'm not sure if I am pressing F1.
Oh yeah, dude, it is literally changing a string. We should change that to a button that you have. because whatever keyboards you are doing you're using doesn't have F1.
Yeah, it's a 60%.
Doesn't
Okay.
work using FN to activate F1?
No, I tried like switching the mode, pressing a fan.
Okay.
I know there is a way, but I never use them.
Okay. Anyway, there are
Okay,
only
but
four actions. Focus on the pointer, Alt plus button 1, drag the interactive window, and then there's Alt button 3, which I don't know which button is that at the moment. But it is or right click or the middle one. And I'm really hoping that it is actually the right click because using the scroll wheel is gonna be painful.
yes. So, dude, we need to find
Oh,
another
dude,
way to
wait, we
test
already
it.
changed it. It is not F1, it is S. We are
Super.
smart. We are
Wait,
smarter than we
is
thought.
that's the thing. Is this super? That's a good question.
Why? But let's try it. You have the thing there.
What was this before? Can you look
F1.
at the source code?
F1.
F1.
Yeah.
So, okay, it's out that.
Try Alt Super and Alt S.
Nope.
Um, yeah, Alt Super and Alt S both of those doesn't work, so I have no idea at all.
Yeah.
It's super weird.
Oh, what?
Did you close it?
What? What did I do, man? Gnome. I can't go to activities. What the heck? I locked here, dude. Can I click here? I can. Why can't I
Oh,
go?
probably it is super and super with the Alt maybe it locked something.
Oh no, you've gotta be kidding.
Press it again.
Press what, dude?
Alt S and Alt Super.
What the fuck, man? Man, I locked here. What the fuck, man?
You're gonna have to reboot because of that.
Oh man, no. Dude, what?
Okay, so probably using super was not a good idea.
You gotta see the key scenes and see which one. I will just log out and I'll be back.
I don't know if logging out wouldn't be enough.
Yes, it seems that it doesn't.
So you're gonna have to say goodbye.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh,
That's gnome
rebooting
for
doesn't
you,
work
folks.
either. I'm literally gonna have to press the power button. Oh,
Wow.
awesome.
Yeah, that was very unexpected for sure. That was very unexpected for sure. But anyway, let's take a look on the to try to identify the things. So there's a thing called S string to key sim. So let's do xlib11 docs, right? So I think this is the main documentation we were looking at before. Yeah, for sure. And let's try to find this. Okay, so there's a function specifies the name of the key sim, right? So we need to discover what is a key sim, I guess. Names are obtained from x11 key sim def.h by removing ASCII prefix for the name. Are not part of the xlib standard, may not obtain with this function. The set are available in this manner and the mechanisms by which.
Okay, man, this sucks.
Yeah, that was very unexpected for sure.
Okay, but at least we can test somehow. It just sucks a lot, but it does work.
Yeah, what we need to do is to discover what exactly is the sim stuff. Because as far as I can tell, we are pretty much screwed if we don't discover how to make the shortcuts. So this is not a struct. I'm gonna assume it's an enum. No. Oh boy. Okay, so how to discover which key is that?
I remember we saw it somewhere. So
No,
Pixie
it is in the
PC.
docs. It is in the docs. In the docs, like they talk about it, but they don't tell me like.
I remember we saw the keys, dude. It was like a header file that had a bunch of them hard coded. Um, .h, whatever.
Which key you said?
Oh, .h like header.
Yeah, I think it is
Keysim.
in the keysim.h. But the problem is that this is inside the lib, so, and we don't have easy access to the source code of that. So how are we gonna do that? Hmm. Okay, I think I'm gonna just search for it and see what we get.
This.
Where?
Yeah, but we don't have the the
Jesus.
char. Just this.
No. But we do. The documentation says that you made to use the key sim, you just remove the sk underscore prefix.
The xk underscore this, and then you keep this.
Yeah, you keep the rest.
Okay, so super probably is not here.
It is in there. Super L, super R.
Oh, here. So S is literally S, I think.
Search for sk underscore s.
Well, there will be a lot of them. Letter, blah blah blah.
Yeah, this is the. Okay, so S should work then, right? So it should
Yeah,
have
but
worked.
I tried pressing S as well.
No, but that's what yeah, that's what I said. So you tried both super and
Yes,
S, right?
yes, I did.
Um,
What is the other key we're using? Mod mask one.
yeah. So the way that I don't remember anymore that those. Like we need to check out that those are things again. I
Oh,
only remember that the mod mask
we can
is.
hover over it. Amazing. That's one. Bitwise to the left.
Is that like three? Yeah, yeah, that's just masking stuff. That's just like shifting to the left a few bits to.
Yes, the what is that? I don't know.
Yeah, we need to read it again. So mod one mask. Let me read that again. We again forgot. So mod
Oh, by the way,
one
it's
mask.
not lowercase. Could it be that?
But
Oh, but
it has
wait.
both.
Yeah, but there's like under. Yeah.
There is a short one with capital S and another one with low non-capital. So I have absolutely no idea why it didn't work. I
But
have no
wait,
idea.
where's the alt, dude? Is the alt mod 1?
It is possible that the out is mod one. Um, what I
Let's
really
try.
hate is that, yeah, it's telling me the same definition that you have on LSP, but it's not telling me what these things mean. And I completely hate that. And I don't understand why a documentation doesn't have this sort of information. I remember that we used another website aside from the docs to discover those type of stuff.
Let's put N of Nekoma.
Yeah, okay, can put it in. But the problem is that we don't know what mod one mask does, and we are assuming it's alt. We are assuming it's alt.
Let me see on their actual code. TinyWM. So he's saying that it's everything is a combination of alt and something. Like F1. And then he's on the code is doing F1 here. So this is the second key to actually do
Oh, I found it. Thank you, Stack Overflow. Okay,
no, I
so
see.
mod
So,
mask one is out indeed.
okay.
So that means that the modifier that we're using there, we can change that, and we can change based on the table that the guy is saying. So mod 2 mask is numlock, mod
No.
3 mask is scroll lock,
Mm-hmm.
mod 4 is super, and mod 5 he doesn't know.
Let's keep alt. That's fine.
No, but that's the thing. I think that if you use Alt N, does your computer with GNOME does something with this shortcut? Just check that out because I don't want us to happen that again.
No.
Okay, good. Okay, so that still doesn't explain why it didn't work.
Okay, so we're picking here on button 3. I don't know what button 3 is. Let's put
Yeah,
2, dude.
let's put. I'm gonna search for that function. Xgrab. What is the name? Xgrab.
Button. Oh,
Xgrab
but
button.
that's the key code. Search for key codes.
Okay, so the Xgrab button receives a button. Specifies the pointer button is to be grabbed or any button. Okay, so let's put button codes X11. Okay, so the 3, yeah, I was right. 3 is the right button, whatever that is. So the left button, so the left is 1, the middle mouse pressing the scroll wheel is 2, and the right button is the right click.
So wait, say it again.
So number 3 is right click.
Mhm. Oh, okay.
Number 2 is pressing the scroll wheel, which seems terrible.
Yes.
Wait, dude, there's a bunch of masks going on there, you see?
Yes. But
These
it's
we,
all
we
about one.
these are all what?
Oh wait, but button release
Yeah,
mask,
there's a bunch
pointer
of
motion.
button press mask and stuff. Probably this is why it didn't work. Okay, so button press
Or are these? This is an
mask.
or. So this is basically saying under any of these actions, it is valid, probably.
Oh, yeah, but then doesn't explain why it didn't work. So X11 button press mask. Okay, there's a docs, the other place. Okay, so you didn't help. Um, what is button? What is the name? Button press mask. That's what we want to know, and we don't. Yeah, there is no description. I don't understand these people. How they exactly they make things without knowing what they're doing?
I don't as well, dude. Or
I
maybe they have like amazing sources to find stuff, but it's not my case.
Yeah, they do they have like an a golden standard in which everybody.
At
Yeah,
least we have this that we can consult. Can we go? Let me see. If I
goes definition
have
that I would be
control,
really surprised.
I can.
Whoo!
Yeah, but like, yeah,
Yeah, but that's
two
already
steps.
a lot of progress. We can actually use the LSP to search the source
Well, we can
code.
search the file, at least this, but yeah, this doesn't mean much to me.
Yeah, that's they basically mask manipulation because you're gonna do an OR eventually. So for us, doesn't have meaning. But doesn't do they don't they have comments about like what this is?
I didn't see.
Wait. You already passed through. Go down. Button one mask. We want button release mask, right?
Yeah, which is where I was.
Input event masks. Uses the
Use
event
witness.
mask window. Okay, I am tempted to replace all of that to no event mask.
No event mask. Let's see. It is basically saying that he's grabbing a button under if you are pressing Alt and left or right, on the root key. And then what is this parameter? Let's see. Oh, awesome. It's just an unsigned integer.
Yeah.
So here it is one, two,
It
three,
is awesome.
event mask.
Yeah, it's the event mask. That's why we're doing an OR there, because all of those things are
Okay,
basically
but what
shifting
is
stuff.
an event mask? That's my problem.
Well, we can search for that for sure. An event mask. What is an event mask? So event mask. Okay, so event set of events all people have interested in. Okay, so I think this is not a this is like what you're interested in doing, I guess, on grabbing, which events you're interested in grabbing maybe. Oh, here. Client select event reporting of values event relative to a window. To do this, pass an event mask that takes the event argument. The bits of the event mask are defined on this. Each bit in the event mask maps to an event mask name, which describes the event you want the server to return to a client application. Yeah, so this is definitely the ones that you are interested in. Hello?
Okay. And what else? Just this?
Yeah, so unless the client has specifically asked for them, most events are not reported to clients when they are generated. Unless
Mm.
the client suppresses them by setting graphics exposures to the GC to false. Well, this is just implementation details, blah 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 blah. So yeah, so basically these events are the events that we are interested in grabbing throughout that action, I guess. So button press, button release, what was the other one? Button press, button release,
Pointer
pointer
motion
motion
mask.
mask.
Oh, I see. So it grabs that. What does this do? Brings to the front? Is that it? Oh, dude, it makes sense because this is on the pointer, right? So if you're moving and pressing out with the window, I think it brings to the front anyway.
Yeah, but what about the other one? The other one is resizing, and it didn't work. That's what I don't understand. Why it didn't work. Okay, but now we at least know for sure what the code is doing. So do you want to try again?
Yes. Let me just.
You need to remove line 15, by the way.
Okay. Line 15.
Yeah, because that was just for debugging purposes. Okay, now comes the hard part, because now you're gonna have to do nix build to rebuild the executable. You're gonna have to close the... No, you're gonna have to go to the VM, close it, because you need to go
Mhm.
back to the other window manager.
Yeah,
Oh man, that's gonna suck so hard, but okay.
yeah, it will.
It's gonna suck so hard.
Fail to start admin. Let's just wait a bit because the other time just took a while. Maybe this is starting like a service on the back end.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, dude.
it still broken?
Yes, it's not starting. What the heck, man? Dude, that's a bunch of logs. How
Oh
am I
yeah.
supposed to read these, dude? Yeah, whatever. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so it's just lazy when you start the first time. Okay, let me just see. Okay. Let's change to do the kung fu. Enter here. Thankfully, I didn't see that like the hallucination thingy.
Yeah, now comes the point that you need to copy paste.
Let me just check. Yes, okay, so the code is syncing. That's nice. Could be better, but well, whatever. Copying. Okay, now we can just go there, recompile this documents, needs build. Can I directly? No, I'll not even try. Okay, so now I should just log out.
Yeah, log out there.
Sweet. Switch, if I'm allowed to.
Okay, so now.
Okay, let me spawn another one.
Okay, we also lost the wallpaper this time. Or this also happened before.
I don't recall. No, they didn't have a wallpaper last time.
Yeah.
Okay, so it follows my pointer, as you see.
Which is nice. Like that's something that we
Yeah,
expect.
but it's not the main feature.
Yeah, now we need to be able to do Alt N, and that's the thing.
There's something GT. Do we have like a program like calculator, like GNOME disks, whatever? Let's see something here.
Open the browser.
Okay.
Oh wow, I was afraid for a moment that dude we can't open the browser.
So what was the button to move?
Move what? We only have
Oh,
to
to move
like
the screen.
we the button was wait, I have to alt tab here. The button was to move was to alt plus button 1. So I think it's alt and left click. Hello?
Just a second. There, done. Okay, so what?
Alt and alt left click.
Alt, left click.
Yeah. But are you
What?
holding alt?
Yes.
Okay, so try only to press it and then you click with the and then you hold with the left click.
Nothing, dude.
Okay, so now try to alt left click and don't hold any of them.
Alt, alt, hold.
Oh, alt is being used by the browser.
No, no, it's not. Even here. Like here, it doesn't need alt, you see? Because
Mm.
this header, I think. I press alt and it shows, right?
But that's when you can't move, right?
No, I can't.
You can't move.
What was the command for Alt N?
Alt N is raise focused window, I guess.
Okay, so I think it is if it's on behind. Nothing.
I don't know if we are doing something wrong. No, but
What?
you are typing things there.
Yes, I know. This is like control. This is shift. No, this is control. Yeah, this is alt, I think, but
Okay, so do me a favor. So put the mouse on top of the white part because now you are typing stuff. I think that's the problem. Yeah, do that, and then now you do the Alt N. You're still
same thing.
typing. Yeah, so I have no idea.
Yes, could it be my keyboard? Because it has two alts. Let me try switching. Nope, this is the same.
Oh boy. Okay, so we don't know how to if the code is wrong, if we are doing something wrong, like we infrastructure wise. I don't think we are
Or
doing something wrong infrastructure
my
wise though.
keyboard. I don't think it's infrastructure. It's compiling. It's getting all the stuff.
Yeah, it's compiling and doing stuff. Um, yeah.
We can use. We can also look into the code for DWM, but it's like a lot bigger. I don't think they use GitHub. Oh, they do. Oh, it's a mirror, I guess. Oh, they use Mercury. Here. Yeah, this is a lot bigger, but it is complete. And it's well documented, at least this.
How many lines?
2000, but well, it's entirely documented, and it's supposed for you to edit the thing in the C code, so. Button mask.
Yeah, that's basically an or between the release and the press because
Oh,
like
why am I seeing
whatever
this inside this trash? Hey,
inside. I want to know the shortcuts. I think we need to pay attention to the shortcuts. Whatever it's doing there, we don't really care.
let's see. Grab
X
the
grab
buttons.
button.
So they use that on a buttons array.
What is buttons though?
Uh,
Is buttons oh yeah, button seems to be a global thing.
yeah, I
Okay,
don't
so
know
they
what
are
they're
very,
doing.
very, very conservative C programmers.
Yeah, but like buttons is like mouse buttons, right? So, X grab button. Okay, this is on if it's focused, which is probably something they pick somewhere.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
then they
it comes as
do
an argument.
for, okay, see, for E0 until length of buttons.
Yeah, that makes sure you're not gonna go out of the array, basically.
Yes, and then if the button dot click on this position E is equals to click client win. Then we do a for.
Then we go
Dude,
through the list of modifiers.
doing this in C is extremely much more harder than I expected.
Well, I think it's harder if you don't know the library that you're using. It's not necessarily
Yeah,
because of C in this case.
because I did last time I spawned the thing in Okamo, I could spawn windows, like move them. I just couldn't do some other things that there were no bindings, but the others I think I could. You know, it's so much easier to discover things because, well, the type system forced me. Like for example, the events they were just they were like a union, so I
Yeah.
basically had all of them. You see.
Yeah, I expected the events to be a union. But anyway,
Um,
I think this code will help because then we can try to we can do the same trick, right? We can it's just copy
yeah.
pasting.
Oh, we can, but then we're gonna compile the WM, right? 2,000 lines. That's
That's not insignificant, I guess.
Let's see how many. Well, it's suckless software, so I don't think they are using a
Okay,
lot
try
of
to
libraries.
search for X grab key on that code on this code.
Yeah, we can just import to this library.
Try to do that though. Try to go to the DWM and try to search on this file for X grab key.
Oh, okay. Here, X grab
Grab
key
key.
down here.
There's only
So
one place.
yes,
Yeah, but
yeah,
this
it's a
grab keys
function.
function can be used a bunch of times. So
Ungrab key,
where
any
is that?
key.
Oh, there. I see. I see. I see. I see. Oh,
They do a bunch of checks.
wait. You need to ungrab it? Ooh, wait.
Let's see if we have documentation.
That's
Oh,
weird.
X. Um.
Yeah, it is there. I saw it. We have
Okay,
documentation. A
display.
number.
Oh, dude, like it's so useless to have this, dude. Like, okay, it's useful in this case, right? But bad.
Yeah, the names are not so bad. Anyway, so whatever is going on there. Okay, but this thing is not that hard because it's basically they basically created a function called that grab keys that they do
Mm-hmm.
the entire grab key logic, so they can reuse it a bunch of times. That's why they have a double for, and that's why they have the modifiers there. It's not a problem per se at all, right? Actually, they are allowing you to use any modifier with any key, as far as I can tell. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's okay. That's okay. Let's go back to our code, the tiny.wm code, just to compare. Okay, so you do x
Let
key
me.
sim. You do x key sim, there key sim to key code, which is the
Mm-hmm.
exact same function they're using there.
Yeah.
And then you pass the display, and then you pass the keys, which is probably a global array of keys, and then you're doing dot key sim. I wonder if the dot key sim is actually doing the same thing as the x string to key sim there. Then we have okay, so all of that is the key sim to key code. Then we have the modifiers, right? The modifiers, we are using all of them for every key. We are only using alt, as far as I can tell.
Yeah.
Then they have the root, which you also have. Then they are doing true. No, we are doing true as well. Grab mode async and grab mode async again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I really don't understand.
Let's see
Do
on
you have
this.
another keyboard there?
I just have my Mac keyboard, but will not work on Linux.
Um,
I should have
yeah.
bought another keyboard just for this project.
Sure, but you need two keyboards. Well, that's why I don't use 60%. I go at least 65.
Yeah, I regret it. Like at first it was all fine because I wasn't like using, but then as soon as I started like for example doing F sharp, it became horrible because like I use pipe and then the pipe I need to switch mode. It's horrible.
Yeah, I think it's really only for, I don't know, you're writing a book. Then okay.
Yeah, even that I think that's kind of bad. Like
So
for
for me, at least
interrogation mark.
65. For me, at least 65. But anyway,
Interrogation mark is here, but well, on English it's
okay. So I wonder if we can, if we search for TinyWM tutorial, if the people will explain in plain English what the shortcuts are, instead of us having to read the GitHub. Because maybe we are dumb, right? Maybe
yeah,
that's always an
maybe.
option.
That's a strong option actually. A dude in Portuguese installing blah 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 minimum blah blah blah.
Yeah, but there's Reddit. I would go to for Reddit first.
Linux for noobs. Awesome.
Yeah, but this is how to open. We already know how to
Yes,
do that. We just
I
want to know how
don't
to
how
use
to
it. Go
use
to the
it.
first link though. There's a first link there that we didn't go.
Wait a second. So this is the code, and
That's it.
there's nothing here.
Yeah. The first link we didn't go through. Awesome. So this is probably HTTP.
Around the web enclosure. Oh, in Lisp. I literally read in Lisp as closure. Oh, somebody wrote it in Como Lisp. Okay.
People translated to common Lisp. It's not that bigger. Like, I was expecting to
No,
be
it's not.
a lot more bigger, a lot bigger. Anyway, so we need to
And we
find.
wouldn't need to keep compiling with all this BS. Ada. Chicken scheme version. Oh, dude, this must be very easy. Oh, it is. Dude, I love scheme code because it's so clean. Look.
I would say that it is. Well, it is clean, but it's a lot longer.
Oh, it is, but it's clean.
Yeah, but we still don't know how to do the things. So we have two options
WM.
to go with this, I guess. Well, three options. The first option is to just keep finding to see if we are doing it wrong. The second
Yeah.
option is for me to try it because I do have
Yes,
all the
it could be.
keys.
So I can show you how to set up your VM. It's not
Yeah.
that hard, it's just painful.
Yeah, but
Oh,
I'm
wait.
not. Is that
No,
Python, right? That's
this
Python.
is yeah, that's
That's
Python,
Python.
but that's okay because we can like Python. Nah, it's the same shit
It's
as
exactly the
Scheme.
same, dude. It's
Yes, I
exact.
was expecting them to like map something like these numbers, like integers. I was expecting them to map to something, but no.
No, they are probably doing binds for C, so they wouldn't do that. Aside, like the only case that they would do that is they care if they care a lot, and I don't know if people care that much. So let's do the following. I'm not in the mood to do the entire VM thing right now. So, but we can call it a victory in the sense that we do have a way to test it,
Yeah, at least
right?
yeah.
We can pick the code and then do a sharing with the VM. And in my case, I will actually try. Let's see if I can actually do the thing without having to copy paste in the middle because that takes a lot of time. So, and we do have a way to test it, uh, which is good news. Right? It took a while, but it is good news. And the Nix stuff is shorter as well.
Can doing other.
Yeah, I wonder if you can, which language you can't do. Like you
Yeah,
probably
if
can't
you
do
have
in
the bindings,
brainfuck,
you
but
can do in any, I guess. But the problem is like if you don't have some bindings, like in Okamo.
oh, okay, that's true. Maybe they don't. They only can do tiny WM then. Maybe they can't do. Not all the languages can do all
No,
the power of the
yeah,
lib.
yeah, probably not. But I was hoping it would have here. But
No,
anyway, there's this another thing here, XCB, that I had no idea what it is. But it is another thing not using X11. It's using this XCB.
yeah,
I
but it
don't know
is the
what it is.
same. I don't know if you noticed, but it is
Yes, it is
exactly
the
the
same,
same.
but it's another library. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But I don't think the problem is on the library, to be honest.
Yeah, it is compiling, so the library is there. Even
Someone
LSP is
hacking it.
working.
Someone. What the heck? This is a very.
Someone hacking it.
Yeah, it's a non-existent website. I think. What are the chances? I don't think it's gonna be captured. Such a shady.
It
Okay.
does.
So when is this from?
It
This
does.
post. This post is from when? Well, what about you? So let's pick 2014. Then let's pick this snapshot. And then hope that it's not. Response and crawl time, yes. So I don't think it is.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do the following. So I don't know, maybe tomorrow or Sunday, we're gonna set up the VM on my computer,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can try to see if it's just a matter of having more keys on the keyboard.
Uh, which I wouldn't doubt, but
Or if it is a problem. But this is so weird because the code it is there, it is official. There's a lot of other languages based on that version on C, and then yeah, it works for everybody. It doesn't work for us. That doesn't make sense, you know.
yes,
Like it would be a 1 in a billion fluke that for that to be true.
we're the
Uh,
first losers.
we are the first
Okay,
true users.
so let's stop here. I'll go have dinner.
Yeah, so I'm gonna stop the stream.